Alright, this is a trial of the walkthrough. This is where the trick-or-treaters are going to come. This is our little corn maze, and we have some of it set up here. It's not completely finished because I'm just lashing them to the fence there as they break off. So this is where they walk through for the trick-or-treaters. It's not completely decorated yet. Okay. And then this area will be blocked off, but there's the haunted house. Just got the top on it today after our 15-mile-an-hour winds. Here's my lovely guy here. Nice to scare people. My lovely head, made by my secret reaper.
Okay, what's that?
This is the entrance. Hopefully it's lit enough that it'll show up. Over here is going to be a table with some oddities and things on it. Got a couple things set up. The unfinished mermaid, I need to put her tail on her. This is where our bearded lady is going to sit. A bed of nails victim. And also the sword swallowing victim. Just going through one more curtain. And our thrashing nurse, which I dressed up as the knife throwing victim. My silly camera, you can barely see her. There's a knife thrower over here. Yeah, my camera's not too good at nighttime, so. Alright, and this will be the exit. And there's the gorilla cage. Maybe my sister will jump in there and demonstrate. Come on, monkey.
Or you can just...
You can just break it.
just break out.
Alright, and that is the haunted house right now. We have a lot of decorations and fixings to do. A lot of it got wrecked in the wind today. We got it fixed. That's the stanchions. We're going to guide people in. And we got a couple guys up there. And this is my lovely neighbor's yard. So happy to have such a Halloween fan next door. Alright, that's it.